Welcome back to the Marsriva official channel. Today, we have an exciting new product to share with you, the brand new version of Kp7. Firstly, we've redesigned the packaging, making it not only cooler, but also thoughtfully showcasing the product's usage scenarios and basic information on the back. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Along with the product itself, we find a user manual, a power cord, and 3 DC cables. And there it is, a robust black metal Kp7, stands out with a fusion of style, power, and elegance. The back of the device hides a plethora of interfaces. This is a true upgrade. Let's power it on together. Without connecting the power, the battery blinks, indicating it's in battery mode. Connect the power, wait for the off sign, then long press the power button to turn it on. Now, we'll connect 4 12-volt cameras to the DVR and then link them to Kp7. On the LCD screen, you'll see real-time power output. You can even see me greeting you on the display. Connecting a 12-volt router and a 24-volt AP. Adjusting the pole port selector to 24 volt completes the setup seamlessly. All devices are tightly connected to Kp7. Now, let's conduct a power-off test and see how Kp7 ensures uninterrupted power and seamless connections. Everything goes on well. That concludes today's unboxing journey. Feel free to share your thoughts and comments below. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to meeting you again in our videos.